Abajameli beenarha ezihlanu bahlangene ngaphasi komfulelo munye. Bakhulumisana ngepi yombango osetlhagwini ye-Afrika ne-Middle East. ISouth Africa ithi ithembele ku-Middle East emthonjeni yamandla njengomani isiphandisi sinothile nge-oli nerhasi. ISouth Africa ayikathabi ngepo yombango eSudan.
We are extremely concerned around the developments in Sudan, and that will be part of our deliberations today. And as BRICS countries, I think also we need to see what is it that we can do to bring about the cessation of hostilities between the warring parties at the moment.
IRussia namanye amazwe e-BRICS bathonyekile ngepile e-Middle East ne-Sudan.
The region remains in a deep systematic crisis. Long-lasting security and economy crisis provoke immigration and create basis for the rise of social tensions and conflict risks.
Currently, on one hand, the situation in the Middle East and North Africa continues to pose serious political and social challenges, with significant instability for the region, which in some occasions threaten international peace and security.
There is also an aspiration on the part of Middle East countries that BRICS will continue to play a constructive role in promoting peace, stability, and reconciliation in the region.
The synchronization of BRICS countries on regional issues will showcase to countries in this region that we stand with them while pursuing the ideals of effective global peace and security, zero tolerance to terrorism in all its forms and manifestations.
Amazwe amahlanu azibophelele kubuyiseni umoya wokuthula nokunzinza.
I-ANC ithi angeze kwalunga ukuthi i-SABC ingenela amakhetho iyodwa. Iveze lokhu naye ekhuluma nembiki indaba malungana nokuhlelwa ngobutsha kobudlelwano benhlangano ezimakhozi be-ANC ikhosathu ne-SABC. Bese lezifuna ukuthi kuhlelwe ngobutsha isikhozi sazo ne-ANC ngombana zithi ziliselelwa ngaphandle nakuthathwa inqundo eziqhakathekileko.
That it would be very wrong. Not for the progressive and transformation project in the country, because what you will do is to request ANC members to choose between the ANC and the SACP. It's like saying you must choose between your mother and father when they hit difficult processes. It doesn't work that way. We have a 90-year, we have a very deeply embedded system of dual membership, of dual leadership. I mean, we don't count the commies, but if you look at both in the NEC of the ANC as well as COSATU, etc., you have communists who are leaders at provincial, at regional level, at national level of that. So it would be going separate ways in that way would be I think a serious break in terms of the transformation project in the country.